It looks like it is going to be a road, but I did see a building the other day. It had a block of land in the back behind another block of land, and their road was about 6 foot wide. And I suddenly thought, wow, if my road is only 6 foot wide, I've got a problem. Back at the block of land again, it's all happening here. The gentlemen have got it all boxed up. Sorry, they haven't got it all boxed up, but they're certainly getting it there. There's a builder's tent's been put up over there under the shade. And a little hongnam over there. That out there is Brian's house that's being built here. And where the gravel and sand is, between those two little posts there, is Tacky and my house going to be built there, which we haven't quite determined as to size and plans. We're waiting for quotes. Along here, between that post and out here, is a roadway, and they've cleared it all back, done a really good job, and they've cleared it around the edge there too. So we've done quite a good job here, clearing it all. I'll climb up here. It's the old story, when the builders are working, I don't like imposing or, what's the word, being a nuisance to them in any way. Yeah, it's amazing. You've dumped the pegs here that the surveyors have put in have been sort of knocked about by the dumping of the dirt. But no, it's all happening. It's great. It's about 30, 32, 35 degrees today in the jungle over here. God, it's quiet. Just the birds and the slight breeze. Beautiful. I'll go up here. Yeah, there's the road. This road is going to be along here. It's soy. I have no idea on the width of it. I should have found that out, but I just assumed it was a road now. But it looks like it's a proper road. Crushed blue metal of some sort. Sand. We've got a bit of extra fill here. It might have been where they've dug out the foundations for over here. I've got nothing but admiration for the Thai workers, and possibly people from surrounding countries that do a lot of the labouring in Thailand. I'll call them Thai workers, not to be specific, but there's a lot of labourers, there's a lot of immigrants to Thailand that do a lot of labouring work. Look at this for foundations. Negative people would say, oh, you're in Asia, you know, you're not going to get much of a job. I'll tell you what, considering that underneath that there, foundation's got to be concreted, underneath that is a 12 metre concrete pylon. Every one of those holes have a 12 metre concrete pylon driven into the ground. There's something, I think it's 26 or 28 pylons for a house that is a 2-storey house upon a 40 metre by 20 metre block. That's pretty bloody serious foundations. And they do need it over here because it's built on those delta mud flats. But 12 metres, it's 12 metres on the top of that pylon, which you can't see, but it's underneath that concrete. They've got to pour a cup around it, and then we've got another at least 6 foot of steel Rio, and the house is going higher than that. It's all happening. This is bloody impressive stuff. A little bit of mud mixing there with the bricks. A little bit of boxing. Love it. Bloody fantastic. It's all good. Did he? Good. Pick up. Alley cup. Oh, lawn, yeah. Oh, I come here. For you. A fan? Okay. Leo. Very good. Good. Oh, Dee, okay, bye-bye. Okay, I'll go back to the car now. Don't want to impose too much, it's all happening there, it's great. Fantastic, very impressed. Wow, feeling a bit down today.